Use questioning as a method to learn. English tenses. Part 6 of 10. Question number 1. What tense do you use for actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past, but are important or relevant now? Answer, present perfect tense. Examples. I have lost my keys. I don't have them now. She has finished her work. It's done now. They have bought a new car. They own it now. He has broken his leg. His leg is broken now. We have eaten lunch. We are not hungry now. Question number 2. How do you talk about experiences you've had in your life up to the present moment? Answer, present perfect tense, often with ever or never. Examples. I have never been to Canada. Have you ever seen a ghost? She has traveled to many countries. He has lived in 3 different cities. We have met many famous people. Question number 3. What tense is used for an action that just happened a very short time ago? Answer, present perfect tense, with just. Examples. I have just finished eating. She has just arrived. They have just left. He has just called. The train has just departed. Question number 4. How do you ask if something has happened up to now? Answer, present perfect tense, often with yet. Examples. Have you finished your homework yet? Has she arrived yet? Have they called you yet? Has he eaten yet? Have we started yet? Question number 5. What tense indicates that something has or hasn't happened so far or up to now? Answer, present perfect tense. Examples. I have written 3 pages so far. She hasn't called me yet today. They have made good progress up to now. He has read 5 books this month. We have learned a lot so far. Question number 6. What tense describes an action that started in the past and continues up to the present, focusing on the state? Answer, present perfect tense, especially with for or since. Examples. I have lived here for 10 years. She has known him since childhood. They have been married for 20 years. He has owned that car since 2018. We have loved this song for a long time. Question number 7. When you use already to say something has happened sooner than expected, what tense do you use? Answer, present perfect tense. Examples. I have already eaten lunch. She has already finished her test. They have already left. He has already bought the tickets. We have already seen that movie. Question number 8. What tense do you use when talking about a number of times an action has occurred up to now? Answer, present perfect tense. Examples. I have visited Paris 3 times. She has read that book many times. They have watched that show countless times. He has broken his arm twice. We have eaten at that restaurant several times. Question number 9. How do you ask about someone's experience with a certain thing? Answer, present perfect tense, often with ever. Examples. Have you ever tried sushi? Has she ever flown in a helicopter? Have they ever met a famous person? Has he ever climbed a mountain? Have you ever lost your passport? Question number 10. What tense is used when you are giving recent news or information? Answer, present perfect tense. Examples. The company has announced new policies. Scientists have discovered a new planet. The police have arrested a suspect. My sister has had a baby. The government has passed a new law. Like, comment and subscribe.